din ang Santa natin.
Paella! And Christmas!
Yan ang ipapalunch niya sa amin on Christmas Day.
Merry Christmas!
Wow, mukhang sarap pa.
Wow, beautiful.
Wow,
Let's check.
beautiful meal.
Let's check the belly, okay?
Next, may belly na tunog ng tunog ang ating alarm. Diyos ko. Ano yung alarm natin? Ayan, si Daddy ng belly. Pabinili namin ito sa Costco. Wala pa almost. Ay, yan. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Ang silip-silip sa ating belly. Yan lang. Grabe ang taba talaga nito. Kaya ganun. O, mamaya yan. Tutulog na naman itong alarm namin dito sa gilid. Diyan ka lang. Ayan na. Sabi ko na nga ba. Ayan. Nahahalo yung kanyang tunog. Hindi natuloy. Ayan ang mahirap pagka ganitong sensitive ang alarm nyo, no? Ayan, no? Yeah. At least safe naman ang bahay. Yeah.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Ayan ang belly. Ito cravings din namin lang to. Kasi hindi naman madalas na nagpapaluto kami ng ganito. Ang struggle na pagluto nito ay real. Shh, guys, please, thank you. Okay, yeah. So, kanina, grabe ang tunog ng aming alarm. Ang kabit mo. Yan na, ayan pa, oh. Sabi ko sa inyo, nag-alarm ulit. Ayan ang ating menu for Christmas lunch. Ayan, pangat.
Brunch.
Brunch. Oo nga, brunch pala to guys, brunch. Ayan, so nilabas lang namin yung cake kasi kakainin, hindi na namin nakain kagabi tong cake. So, kaan yung aking cravings na kakanin. Ayan, binili ko lang din to sa Seafood City. At ayan ang aking little Santa. Ayan, kumakain na siya. Do you like that? It's Daddy's specialty. Specialty talaga. Ayan, di pa ata kakasya sa mesa. Kain ulit tayo. Brunch! Si Dexy ang busy here preparing the juice. Kain na tayo. Dexa, let's sit down. Come on. Let's eat our lunch. Brunch. Ayan. Oh, no! Dessert na gusto ng mga bata. So, what's the name?
Mochi with like red meat. Let's try.
Wow, I want to try that one afterward din. Wow. Do you like it? Wow. Okay, enjoy your food. While me and Daddy will finish all the food. Na Daddy? Kanina pa ito nakikibaka sa mga seafood namin. Ate is serving us cake. So, ito yung cake namin. Thank you. Small lang talaga kay Daddy. Ayan. Thank you, ate. You want to eat? Yan yung aftermath ng kain namin. I think vanilla.
No!
Oh, ano din? Okay, okay. Kain muna kami. Okay, let's eat. So, it's time for another. Is from... So, ngayon, kanino naman tayo ngayon?
You wanna open first?
Dexa first, ah.
No, you. Let's do it by family so that we open one gift together, okay? So
Okay.
who do you want to do first? Pick one. This one or this one? Pick one. Wait, this one bigger? The one that's bigger?
Oh, that one is bigger. The red one. Okay.
So, okay, we're gonna do from Ninang Ana.
This is from...
Ninang Ana!
Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Okay, open. Hold.
First.
Wow.
Ooh. I see music. I like it. I like it.
Wow. Oh, that's so cute.
that one.
Ninang Ana, Ninang Mark!
Wow! Kakanta ka na ata niyan, Dexa. Oh, thank you for the gift for Dexa. Okay, kaninong gift yan, Dexy? Okay,
This is Dada.
okay, this is for Dexy.
So cute.
Wow! Oh, that's so cute! Yeah. Yeah, I know. Thank you guys for this one, for Dexy. Ayan, di na mapakali si Dexa sa kanya. Oh. Open na daw niya. Oh. Careful, careful.
Since we had phones, Ninang Ana, you guessed what I wished for so much.
Guess daw kung, nag-guess daw ni Ninang Ana kung ano yung mini-wish ni Dexa. Ayan.
I think she don't like it.
She don't like it? Oh my.
Oh, I love sparkle.
Yeah, she loved daw.
Oh, lagi siya nangangarap ng
Okay,
ganyan.
what about
Sabi niya, I guess she knows what I like. Ang ganda.
Oh, baby.
Oh, gusto niya.
So much. I gotta buy it.
Say thank you, ah.
Say thank you. Yan. Sabi niya, alam niya ata kung anong gusto ko. That's nice. Okay. Tingnan niyo kung ano yung instructions so that you can use it. Okay. Thank you again.
How to connect it to the TV?
Yes. Okay. I think this one is from Chester. Okay, to Ate Dexa. Okay, open that one.
Okay.
Okay, open. Wow.
Oh, I love it. It's a water bottle.
Wow, that's so cute.
Oh, whoa, I love this water bottle. I'm gonna bring it to school.
Wow. That's so cute. Right? Yeah, it's nice. Sparkling. Okay. May I see that one? Show mommy. Show mommy, please.
No.
Wow.
Write your name with it. Dexa. Kim. Kim. It has letters. I could write that name.
It's 3 letters
No,
only?
madami siyang letters, but like, you know, it depends on what you want to write.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's nice, guys.
You wanna write that?
Say thank you, Chester.
Thank you, Tato.
Okay.
See, look, there's letters. What do you want to write? Your name.
Wow, of course, Dexa.
Okay.
She can put that one there.
Find the DEXA and spell it out for me. Then you can put it. You want to put it on by yourself?
Thank you, guys, for giving this one to Dexa. She loved this.
Yes, I like it.
Okay, that one is from...
I don't know. I think it's also from Chester. Kasi walang, it's just like Dexy.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I think so. Wow.
Wait, Callie. Yeah, it's from Chester.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, it's only money na. Thank you, Chester, for giving this one to Ate Dexy. Merry Christmas, guys, and thank you for the gift for the kids. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, I got these.
Okay, careful, guys, careful. Let Ate help you, okay?
Let's see. Which side? Let's do it.
Wow, ang cute, Dexa.
You feel right here.
Okay,
Oh, are you
okay. Sorry. And wow, thank you. Patingin, Dexa. Show mama, please.
Show me.
Ayan, ang cute. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Let's go to Dexa's cash gift from Ninang's. Okay.
It's not Ninang. From Tusaris and Mia.
Okay, sige din. Kay Tooth Fairy pa pala yung iba. Okay, can you count now one, Dexa?
Okay, 5,
Okay.
10.
Oh.
Alright, what's after 5?
10,
15.
15.
It's 95.
Oh, si 15.
15. 20. It's
Okay.
20,
Okay.
25,
And then it's a 20, so that's 45.
45,
Is it another 20? 65.
65,
What is it? 20?
Yeah.
85?
85,
And then 185.
135.
This one is 85. 85 plus 100.
85.
185. So Dexa, you will save that one for your... So how many more years, Dexa?
100. Can you money mo from last?
How many? Yeah, I think you have money last year. Hindi pa niya binili yun?
No, I did. Remember the kite?
Oh, the
Barbie?
wait, no, that's your.
No, it's not.
That's another thing.
Yeah, that's Bruce's gift for you.
Yeah, that's Bruce's gift.
Which one?
Yeah, the Barbie car. The Barbie car. Yeah.
Which one then?
Okay, I don't know. Let's see in the video kung may naibili tayo, okay? Okay, that's Dexa's gift for this year. Cash gift. I think you have a gift pa na parating yung mga iba. Okay, say thank you, Ninang. This one is from Ninang Margie, Ninang Annalisa, Ninang Kat, and yeah, that's all. And then the others are from the Tooth Fairy. $120 for one teeth, and
She lost 2, so that's.
so two. So that's $40. Okay.
I got 220 from my 2 TV.
Yeah. Okay, that's all. Hi. So it's time for us to
Gifts.
oh. Yeah, open gift for Christmas. Okay, so let's start with what do you like na i-start natin?
Let's start with this.
Okay, small stuff. It's a Michael Kors. Yeah.
Can I open it?
Yeah, so yeah, patingin ako anak ko. So I love this Michael Kors na nakita namin sa Winners. Ayan, so it comes with something like a toque and a scarf. So ayan siya. So wala pa ako kasi akong ganito. So nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko might as well get myself one this Christmas. Para may ano naman, kapag lalabas kami, mayroon akong scarf na magamit. So, yeah. So, ito ay na-purchase namin nga sa Winners nung nakita ko na gustuhan ko siya. Ayan. So, how it looks like. Yeah. Okay. So, for sure, gamit ko to kapag ganitong malamig ang panahon niya.
Oh my god, yes, you finally have a scarf. You know that the cute scarf stuff?
Sabi ko kay Dexy, bili ka ng sayo
I
eh.
didn't like
There's a
the
black.
I didn't like that color.
Oh, okay.
I want to find white.
Eh, wala naman masyadong
I
ganun
also
eh.
want to find, like, you know how I have earmuffs? I want to find white ones.
All white, tsaka yung ganun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
have like some.
Okay. Be $90, pero yun, nakuha lang namin siya ng $50, parang ganun na. Di pa kasi kasama dyan yung tax. So, ito yung itsura niya. Just be careful para hindi mag-run, okay?
I don't feel safe cutting right there.
Yes, so ganun niya.
It's really close to the fabric.
Yan, so try mo nga, Dexy. Yan siya. Ang cute.
It's double-sided too.
Oh, pwede din siyang kabilaan. Oh, yeah!
It's white on the other side.
Yeah. So, dapat pala kumuha tayo sa'yo. May white pala, be. Hindi mo, hindi mo
Oh
na-
wait, no, never mind.
Oh, no. It's not double-sided, Dexy.
Guys.
Yeah, it's not.
I just want
Okay?
Yeah.
Gusto kasi ni Dexy na ng white. Yeah. So, can you try that one too? Ayusin mo muna yung hair mo. Siya. Ganyan na itsura niya. Ang ganda din. I love it.
Guys,
Yeah. Ayan. So, if may stylish ka, yan, ganyanin mo siya. Yan siya. Dexa! Ayan. Huy, Dexa! Ang gulo ni Dexa. Ayan, if ever. Ayan. So, ganyan ang itsura lang niya. Maganda ang choice ni Mommy.
I
Ayan.
think they look really good on you, especially with your jacket.
Yes.
But I
Okay.
feel like- I don't know how I feel about having it like, but it's probably because I just did it Like,
Ang gulo lang ng hair mo. Yeah. Oh, anyway, yan ang istorya neto. Is nice gift for myself this Christmas din. Yan kasi wala nga akong ganito pa. Scarf and a toque. Okay? So we go to the next gift. Yeah. So this coach ay nagustuhan ko din to. One of the bag na nagustuhan ko sa Coach. Ayan siya. Very simple lang din siya.
one thing
Yeah.
I noticed about Coach is they have a lot of more silver hardware.
Oh, than gold. So, ang ano lang nito, yeah. So, wala tong zipper.
Heat and Speed, they have a lot of more like the hardware is mostly like gold.
Oh, I see.
From what I've seen.
Okay. So, can you share them na wala nga lang tong ano, zipper. So, snap lang siya. Yan. So, ayan naman siya. So, ayan.
And you can also like attach it and like just have it as a piece.
First, yan. Ganyan lang siya. Okay. Yeah. So, ito naman ay nagustuhan ko sa Coach nga. Ayan. Thank you sa isang anak ng sister namin na nagtatrabaho dun. So, we had a good deal sa kanya. Okay. Ang cute. Yeah. Ang ganda ng style niya. Ang ano ko lang dito is hindi kasi siya zipper. So, gusto ko kasi ng zipper sana. Pero, yun lang. Pwede naman siya pa ano lang naman na gamit. Ayan. Yung pang summer. Ganun. Ayan. So, yan ang as gift for myself ko again this Christmas. And then, let's go to the Louis Vuitton. Ito muna ang bubuksan. So, ang ganda na Christmas packaging daw ng Louis Vuitton this year.
It's only like I think they only sell it in December mostly probably.
Yeah. So, ayan. So, ito yung binili ko na sunglasses, which is, ano pa nga si Daddy mo with the design.
Oh yeah, because he wants the other one.
Yeah, so we will see and then we will just show them kung ano yung napili natin. So the receipt is here. Yan. Yan. So nilalagay lagi ng Louis Vuitton yung mga receipt nila na ganito pag binibigay sa inyo. And then this cost me, pakita ko na lang sa inyo just to share you guys if how
Oh, you
much
should
to.
have written. That's cute. If you're gonna get, because it's Christmas, right?
Oo.
If you're gonna give it to someone, they now include like a little for like December is like it's Christmas gifted, right?
Mhm.
You put like a little tag where you could. I can't get it out.
Oh, I see.
So like you could write like, oh, this is to blank.
Oh, maganda yun. Ang cute. Especially, napakaliit lang nung card. Yeah. So, ayan. So, unbox na ni Dex ito. Ayan.
I love their ribbon. It's so pretty.
Yes. Tingnan mo kung pag-aralan mo kung kaya mong ibalik mamaya.
Pwede, kaya ko ano. I know how to tie a ribbon.
Yeah. Wow. And then, I think you have to pull like that lang yan.
Ooh, the case.
Yeah. And then, I think that one is how to take care of that item.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. They give, parang sa bag kasi walang ganyan, no? But dito sa sunglasses nila, meron silang nilalagay na ganyan. Instruction siguro yan. And then, this is the sunglasses. Yan, tingnan natin. Ayan. Malaki lang din ang ano nila, packaging nila, no? Malaki ang lagayan niya. Ooh.
Very nice velvety
Yeah.
feel to the leather.
Yeah. Okay, and then the item itself. Hi! Ang gusto din tingnan ni Texa. Yan ang napili namin. Which is ganito siya. Yan. And then the other side. Yan. Oh, there's another tag here.
Louis Vuitton.
Yeah. So your daddy is just thinking if the other one daw. Yeah, but we can exchange that if you like. Ooh. Ang istorya. Yan ang aming pinurchase na Louis Vuitton sunglasses for me. It's my first Louis Vuitton din na sunglasses, which is, sabi ko nga, mapapakinabangan naman ng mga bata. Kasi yan, ganyan itsura niya yan. Ooh! ayan, mapapakinabangan ng mga kids kasi pwede nilang mahiram sa akin pag lumaki sila. At kung kasya na din sa kanila. So, ganito siya. Ayan.
Put it on a plate.
Ayan siya. Ayan, ganito siya. So, ganito yung kanyang tatak sa gilid niya. Ayan siya. Pero may gusto ni si Daddy na isa, which is titingnan ko nga yun kung ano yung gusto niyang yun. Yung ganito na Louis Vuitton, it costs us, pakita ko na nga lang sa inyo. It's 945 Canadian dollars. Binili namin to sa Chinook. So, isa lang kasi yung,
You're gonna show them.
yeah, isa lang kasi ang Louis Vuitton here in Calgary, which is sa Chinook Mall. So, ito siya. Yan. Okay, so we'll go to the next one. So, yan ang kanyang packaging. So, maganda din tong lagayan niya, Dexie. Okay. So, yun lang ang isa sa mga gift for myself ulit this Christmas 2023. Yeah, so ayan, ano yan anak kung how to take care that. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, the star of the show.
It's a Louis Vuitton bag, and it comes with this, which is like where they always keep the receipt and like the card, business card.
Yeah, sometimes business card. I don't know why there's no business card on this. Ito, business card pala to. Yeah.
What's a business card?
Oo, hindi ko lang nahalata kasi kakulay niya. Ayan, so ito yung nagbenta sa amin doon sa Chinook. So I think that one he gave us a care sample for.
Perfume.
Oh really? This is a perfume? I don't know that.
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay.
It's a perfume.
Oh,
Sample.
wow. Dapat pala humingi tayo ng perfume din. I don't know that. So ito yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko na style ng bag sa Louis Vuitton, which is I know na yun nga, I have 2 girls, so they can again ask me or they can again borrow this one for me if kailangan nila, yeah, or they can own it. Dexa, hi! So, yan si Dexy ngayon ang aking taga-unbox. Okay, Dexy, go ahead. Dexy, you see that one? Okay. Tingnan mo ate ko how they do it. Okay. So, ito siya. Ayan.
Such a big box.
Ang laki ng box. Pero ang liit ng laman. Pero ang mahal. Yan. So, ito yung napili ng mga girls. Ayan siya.
Ayan siya.
I think the straps inside.
Yeah.
Ayan.
So, ganyan lang siya. No. Meron tong ano eh. Nasaan yung kanya?
It's inside.
Ah, okay.
I still have to
So, nagustuhan namin ang kanyang, what do you call that one again?
strap.
Strap. Yeah.
And it has a coin purse.
Okay, may coin purse yung strap niya. Gusto ng mga kids to kasi ano daw, pwede mo siyang gawing for formal. And then kung medyo sporty ang dating mo, pwede mo siyang gawin ganito. So I think nung pinili namin to, the strap has different I think 2 different tone.
You can either choose
Yeah.
this pink or there was like a green.
Yeah,
Let's see.
so ganito siya. Yan. So can the model show me? Yan.
Yes,
Ayan.
of course.
Yan, model si Dexy. So,
Oh
ganito.
yeah, wrong side.
My
side.
bow.
Wrong side, yeah.
How big is my bow?
Okay, thank you, ate.
Look how big is my
Okay,
bow.
so ganito siya.
How big is my bow?
Yeah. So, ganito ang kinalabasan ng kinuha namin. So, ang gusto ng mga bata may ganito. Ano, para saan yan?
It's supposed to be a coin purse, but
Yeah.
it fits the AirPods.
Yeah, I think it fits the AirPod.
Yeah,
Okay.
give me one.
Can you show?
These are the pros.
Okay. So, pwede daw yung AirPod Pro.
Yeah,
And
Yeah.
a pod wiggling.
Yeah.
and the regular AirPods.
Yes, yan. So, pwede daw tong ganito. Dito ata gustong ilagay ng mga kids. Ayan. So, ilagay mo
Oh, the
na.
other AirPods.
Here.
So I was like, where's the other?
Yeah. So, ito siya. It comes with this
Can
one.
it fit this?
And then, may ganito din siya if you want to
More
make it
like that.
formal. Yeah.
And
So,
there's
gusto-
another chain.
Yeah, yung chain niya ang maganda din. Ang cute ng chain niya. Yeah. So, ayan ang aking model.
The small
Ha?
I'm gonna be stealing this.
Gusto ni Dexy still sa akin tong small bag niya.
Look.
Yan, so ganito yung Louis Vuitton na nabili namin at napili namin this year. So I think nagko-collect ata to mga bata na to ng monogram din kasi ito yung mas gusto nila.
Wow, that's
Yan.
so pretty. It's iconic.
Yes, I know. Okay, that's all for our Louis Vuitton Christmas bonus. Christmas gift for ourselves. Yan. So, can you show them kung sa ibang way how to use that one?
Okay, so there's like.
So, Dexy will share to you guys how she will use this one kapag medyo formal ang kanyang,
So you could
At
detach it
damit?
and attach it
Yeah.
like only to the small one.
yeah.
You
And
could also
then,
do the
yan, magiging ganun
small
lang
and
siya.
tiny. You could also do it to the big one, so you have more
So,
space.
pero mas maganda ata yung small, yan, na i-attach ng ganyan. But you can try. So, yan, pwede mo siyang i-detach para
Oh,
gawin mo siyang,
Ivory is so pretty.
yeah, kasi gold siya, eh, no?
Yeah.
Yes, yan.
Gold always has that, you know.
Ayan, so pwede din kapag,
Oh, it doesn't work on this one.
oh, I
Because
see.
Only this one has like.
Yes. So, hindi pala siya pwede mag-work dito sa malaki niya. Kung gawin mo siyang formal, ano, parang they call that one kili-kili bag. Yes, kili-kili bag.
I thought it was like a handbag,
Yeah.
like a shoulder bag.
Ito naman, hindi pwede ata. Oh, I don't know if you can use that one. Okay? Dexa, careful! Mahulog ka!
I only fell.
So, ayan. Ito pala yung shinare ni Dexy na ito lang pala yung pwedeng lagyan ng gold na yun na parang ano niya, string. Yeah. And then, pwede mo siyang gawing shoulder bag. Ayan, Dexy, can you show them? Yan. Yan siya. Ayan, ang itsura niya. Ayan. Bagay kay Dexy kasi si Dexy ay dadala ng maliliit lang na gamit.
See, all I need is like. Phone.
Okay, can you show kung kasya yung phone?
Okay,
Kasi
can I use your
mostly-
can I use your AirPods as my replacement
Yeah.
AirPods? Where's your
Sige.
AirPods?
I think here siya.
Oh,
Ayan.
I didn't.
Open this.
So, ito lang yung malagay sa ganitong maliit na
Okay,
to
my
na,
phone, which is 14
na
Pro.
pouch. Yan. So, kapag 14 Pro, kasya naman siya.
Yeah.
And then yung AirPods.
AirPods.
Yan.
Lip
Lip gloss. Yan lang. Kasi pangit na siya pag nakaumbok na,
Oh,
Dexy.
book ng konti.
Oo nga. So, I think ano, pwede mo sa side ilagay. Yung parang, ano mo na yun, lip gloss mo.
Can we unattach this?
O, try mo. Kasi hindi ko alam kung pwede siyang,
This bag's so versatile. I like it.
so maybe you can do the,
Oh, it wouldn't look good, and it doesn't fit through it.
dito, here. Dito mo
Here, the bottom?
Yan.
Oh,
Dito mo siya ilagay. Yan, ilagay mo siya dyan. There!
ooh.
Yan. So, pagka ilabas niyo yung AirPod niya at yan ang gagamitin niya. I think maganda din. Kasi masyadong humumbok na nga. So, kukunti lang talaga ang malagay, promise. Pang ano lang, pang
A phone and a card.
pang forma-forma lang talaga siya.
All you need, no, it's okay. All you need is your
Oh.
phone and a credit card. That's it.
Yeah. Kasi mostly nag-credit card ngayon, anak, nasa phone naman na.
Yeah.
Nasa Apple Wallet. Okay, so ganyan ang style niya, guys. Yan, pwede niyong gawin ganito. Ayan, yan. So, yan ang storya na aming Louis Vuitton. And then, ito lang ata maiwan sa akin yung malaki na to. Yeah, that's nice though, right? Ayan, may isa pang ganito siya, oh. Yeah. Okay. That's all. I think that's my Louis Vuitton collection.
So,
Yeah, gusto ni Dexy. It's one of a Christmas gift this year, 2023, for myself. More Louis Vuitton coming up. Yeah, and yeah.
we need to learn how to use small bags. There's so many cute small bags.
Yeah, kasi hindi ako mahilig ng small bag. But anyway,
All you need is a phone.
yeah, anyway, the kids will love this also. Not only me, but the kids will inherit this one from me. So, ayan, hindi ata namin nabanggit ko ano yung pangalan ng item na to. It's,
The Louis Vuitton multi-cushion.
yan. Oh, marunong din to. Okay, yan. Yeah, I know. So, this one cost us 3,622.50. So, ito yung
Guys,
price
no,
niya.
this is-
Canadian dollars.
But
Yeah.
originally, it's like. Oh, that's all.
Okay. So, meron ba siyang other na ano? Saka maliit ata nakalagay, bebe. Here. Yeah.
Was it? I feel like I slipped it.
Yeah. Okay. So, ang Louis Vuitton is nag-iisa lang dito sa Chinook. Yan.
And then we also chose the rose for it.
Yan. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yan siya. So, malaki nga lang ang GST here is 5%. So, 172 ang GST
I mean,
niya.
it's better than
Yeah.
than other places here in in
Okay.
Canada.
Yeah. Another gift na binigay nila sa mga bata is from Ninong.
Mine's from my Ninong William and Tita
Ninong
Pinky.
William and
And
Tita
this
Pinky.
is from Ninang Pinky and Tita William.
Yeah, from Ninang Pinky. Okay, sino sa inyo muna?
Next is the line. Okay. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, come on. Oh, that's not a thing. Rock,
Paper.
scissors, shoot. Okay, fine. I'll open it.
Okay.
What? No.
Yung nag-win pala yung... Yeah, I know. Okay, so the girls are so excited. Thank you, Ninang William. Yeah. Ooh.
Wait, which one is this? Wait. Oh! Oh! Oh!
I already know what it is.
Ooh.
Wait, is it? Wait, is this it? And it's Stray Kids. I think this one is the stay version, probably.
Oh my, nahimatay siya sa saya. Noko, eto.
Ayaw mo yan? Yan yung
I
ayaw mo?
love it.
Ha?
Thank you.
Kala ko ayaw mo yan.
Tuwang-tuwa siya. Of course. Ito na naman yung music natin sa loob ng bahay na maingay, Daddy,
Wait, I
oh.
need to take photos.
O yan pala eh, gusto niya mag-photo daw ng
Next time
ganyan,
you
oh.
open yours, I'm gonna take a photo shoot of yours.
Wala na,
Wala sa'yo yan. Hindi sa'yo yan.
iniwan na niya yung,
Hindi sa'yo.
no, yung scissor.
Sa akin yan.
No,
Gusto mo buksan yung gift ko? Hindi, joke.
that's
for you.
yours.
That's from Ninang Pinky. Yeah, Ninong William. And it is from Ninang Pinky.
This is toy.
Wow.
My toy that somebody gave me.
Oh. Wow. That's nice.
Okay,
Ooh.
okay, maybe you should cut it all the way.
Yeah, naku, lahat na lang I love it, Dexa. Ayan. Say thank you, Ninang. Wow.
Ganda lang mga sila. Slowly.
Kaya nga eh, nagmadali sila.
Di battery yan. Sasakay ka dyan tapos lilipad ka na.
Thank you, Ninang.
Battery yan. Lilipad ka dyan.
You're gonna open it now?
Yeah, thank you.
Open up inside.
Yeah, yan, wala na. Hindi na mapakali. Ayan na. Happy na sila, oh. Ayan. Okay, Dexa, careful with your hand.
What version is it?
Ayan, di na mapakali si Dexa. Rip it na. So, that one is a unicorn. Is that a unicorn?
No.
What's that then? Can you show mommy first,
I don't
please?
know. It's a surprise.
It's a surprise, princess. Ayan siya. So, naku, ito na naman. Hindi na naman mapakali. Oo. No, kasi plastic to eh. I will help you. Come here, come here. I will help you maanin puko mo, anak ko. That's a plastic. Kailangan mo ng scissor. Hindi niya kasi na-rip na mabuti, baby. So, you need to help your sister. Meron ata yan eh, yung diretso lang na
Yeah,
ano
it's
mo.
in a rip na direction.
Yeah. Pwede it, and then you can fly. Hindi siya mapakali eh, no?
The rock version.
Wow.
I'll open it.
Okay, help help your sister.
Okay.
I think nandyan yung ano niya. I-rip din yan. I-rip mo muna. The egg is a big egg surprise! Ayan, dalawa pa sila.
I think you have to take this off.
Okay. That one? Okay. Open that big egg.
Ano ba?
Okay, so hindi siya na-open?
Yeah, I think you have to remove it because there's tape.
Okay.
That's
Ready? 1, 2, 3, squish! Wow! That's so cute! I love the color.
oh, I think
So you have to decorate that one? So marami kang gagawin. So may mga i-open din kayong mga plastic dyan, Dexy. Yan. This one, yung mga plastic na yan.
yeah. Okay. You can peel what it's hard please. You can peel to reveal what color do you think?
Oh, so you have to peel that heart.
Yeah, to see what color do you think?
So ito, ipipeel daw nila to.
What color?
Which one do you think?
Okay, let's see.
So ayan, thank you, Ninang Pinky, for the gift. Say thank you, Dexa, for the gift.
Thank you for the gift.
Okay, yan, enjoy na nila. So,
Yeah.
thank you guys for the love for the kids. Okay.
Yeah, you're supposed to rip it off.
They will continue to do this one. Peel it. Peel. Peel.
Ang unsatisfying ng peel mo na.
Wow, that's nice. Ayan. So, enjoy, guys. O siya. Yung pinil niya na yun. And then,
Now I'm
open the
gonna
egg.
open the baby.
Baby egg. It's a baby egg. Para may plastic pa siya, anak ko. Yan.
So cute.
One.
Okay. That's how to open. And then, the egg.
Baby. The baby.
Oh! Sabi ko niya.
Cute.
May baby. Oh, may wings
And they
din
all
siya.
have wings.
Wow, that's so cute. Ayan, may baby din.
It's because
Patingin.
they're rainbow corn sperry corn.
Oh, it's a rainbow.
Corn sperry corn. Because like the
Wow.
original is just unicorns.
Yeah.
I remember I wanted these ones when I was a child. Because they're like
May nakakuha ka ba?
Look how mommy is compared to it.
Wow.
This is not a baby.
Okay.
Too small to be true.
Okay, open that one.
Careful.
Okay, enjoy guys. Marami palang laman yung ganito na surprise. So, meron silang stuffy na ganito. Ayan, ang kanyang crown. May maliit pa tong ganito. Mayroon din siyang bracelet. At meron siyang wings. Ayan yung wings niya. Ayan.
And
Ang
then I
dami
also got
naman.
this.
Yeah, meron din siyang wand. Ayan. So,
Acne,
ayan.
acne. There you go.
Thank you, Nina!
Nina. Thank you, Nina William. It's the Stray Kids Rockstar Rock version.
Wow, okay.
I think it's a rock. Yeah, it's a rock
Sige.
version.
Okay.
Please pull.
So, please open that one.
Manifesting Felix. Manifesting Felix.
Look, I got my poster.
I really want Felix.
Poster, I got a poster.
Okay. Oh, may pa ganyan-ganyan pa siya.
It's okay, I love cinnamon.
What happened to his nose?
I stop.
Dexa, huwag ka mangialam dyan. Wala ka dyan. Umalis ka dyan. Oh, Diyos ko. Diyos ko, nanginig. Nanginig siya, guys.
Oh my god. Ah.
Nanginig siya.
Ah.
Okay, inubo pa.
It looks like
Wala na.
a
Wala na.
Stop.
This one was
Stop.
Dexa, stop disturbing your sister.
Stop taking it.
it looks like a fish.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
It's
It's
like a
it's hand and chicken.
Wala, Diyos
And
ko.
it's cinnamon. And
Oh.
yeah.
Sumin. Ay, Diyos ko.
Yeah.
Importante, happy ka.
Felix. Felix. Ah.
Oh, Diyos ko. O isa din, ayaw din. Kaya kami lumipat dito eh. Dito kami kanina. Dahil magulo to. Ayan.
It's Min. It's Han.
Dito din siya.
It's Ayan.
Wow.
Oh.
Okay.
Poster. Got my own poster.
Yan din. Ang push-tay.
Put on my wall.
Ala, sige. Dexa, tapos ka na.
The stickers.
Sa atin na eh. Okay.
Stickers.
Mm-mm.
And, oh my god,
I
here's the
use the
CD.
stickers.
Lexa, no, don't use the stickers. Those are collectibles. The poster, mommy.
Mm.
The poster. Wait, this is gonna go in my room.
Wow. Diyos ko, ang dami ng ano sa room mo, ha? Okay. Okay. Say thank you, Ninong, then. Thank you. To make Dexy happy this year.
Thank you, Nino.
Okay.
We're opening gifts again from Ate Nick and Callie.
Open the gift.
Me first?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god, it's so cute! It's lip balm.
What's the bomb? What's the bomb? What is bomb?
It's like normal lip balm and then there's a cactus. It's so cute. And I got chocolate.
Say thank you, guys, to Kali and Ate.
So this says, I can read it.
Wow. Can I see that one?
To Ate
Hey.
Dexa. It says to Ate Dexa. and
Okay,
then
open.
from Callie. No, Ate Nick.
Okay. Wow, that's a nice lip balm. Yeah. You need that, right? Yeah. Okay, Dexa, open. Oh, cute! Double, you have a double gift this year. You have sister. Okay, one for Ate and one for you. Thank you, Kali. Yeah. I have two twin Barbie. Yay! Oh, Merry Christmas, guys! Thank you for the gift. It's time for the year to redeem the point. Ito yung nakuha namin this year.
Versace yellow diamond perfume and it's like a gift bundle. It's Christmas.
Okay, yeah.
And then we got a tester, not a tester but like a travel set, but it's a Versace bright crystal.
Oh, may magkaiba din ang kanilang ano.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So can you help me with that? So this one, sa shoppers namin mostly nire-redeem yung mga points namin. Ayan. So shoppers. So instead of paying $154, ito ang nag-pay lang kami ng sana yan 14 na lang siya. So ayan. So i-unbox namin na siya. So,
Oh, it comes with a tester for.
ayan, may tester pala siya.
Oh.
Ayan, so
Something pink.
Versace Yellow Diamond. Amoy ko to nung tinay niya. Ang
There's
bango nga
also
naman niya.
body lotion. Crystal. Crystal Dior.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. And then the other one. Yeah. Okay.
Versace, like that. Right?
Yan, open mo na siya. So, siya. Eh, ang laki din pala niya, no? Uy, ang ganda. Yan, no?
So
Malaki ba siya? Oh, I see. Ang cute naman ang lagayan. Ang hirap nga naman to i-travel. No?
yeah.
Kasi ang laki ng packaging niya.
Oh, it smells so nice.
Oh, unlike yung ginagamit ko ngayon na Chanel, no?
Yeah.
Yan, so ito siya. Okay, and then
This
open
is
the other one.
Versace. This is a Versace Bright Crystal
Mhm.
Travel Tube.
Wow, that's nice too. Wow, ito ang gusto ko kasi may travel ko siya. Yan ang istorya ng aming dalawang na redeem this year.